I hope that you enjoyed all the videos out of the Pure Pentatonics playlist this week. It's amazing what you can do just out of 5 notes. If you're new to pentatonic scales, I suggest that you just learn the major and the minor pentatonic scales first of all over 1 octave. Do them on 1 note so you really can see the differences between the 2 scales, and then start these scales on different root notes. You can start on any root note over the neck. Then after that you need to learn how to get creative with these scales. This is where my Pure Pentatonics course comes in. Over the course you'll learn how to get creative with these notes and improvise great sounding riffs, licks and fills. The application part is the most important part, and if you master this you'll be able to hold your own at jam nights and gigs and really stand out from the crowd. If you just want to play at home, the course is also ideal for you because it will help you to get more creative and give you more options with your playing. Click the link below this video in the description to find out more about Pure Pentatonics and to join all the other students who are currently in there working on improving their bass playing.